find the fourth derivative, y4, or d fourth y over dx to the fourth, for the function y equals 5 minus 2x to the fourth power. So y here is an entire expression to the power of 4. So our first derivative will involve the power rule, y prime or dy dx. We'll bring the power down, subtract 1 from it, but then multiply by the derivative of the inside to complete the chain rule. We can put the constants together. 4 times a negative 2 will be a negative 8. And we have the inside raised to the power of 3. There's our first derivative. Our second derivative, y double prime, or d squared y dx squared, will itself be then a power rule. We'll bring the 3 down, multiply with the negative 8. That's a negative 24. Leave the inside alone, subtract 1 from the power, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside. I can multiply the negative 24 and the negative 2, and that'll be a 48. So it looks like we once again will have a power rule for the third derivative, y triple prime, or d cubed y dx squared will be, bring down the 2 times the 48, that'll be a 96. 5 minus 2x to the, what will now be, subtract 1 from the power, will be a power of 1. Multiply by the derivative inside to complete the chain rule. I can put the constants together. 96 times a negative 2 is a negative 192. And then last of all, we can take the fourth derivative, y4, or d fourth power y over dx to the fourth power. And in this last derivative, we have the constant negative 192 times the derivative of 5 minus 2x. That's the first power, so it's not a power rule in there. The derivative of 5 is a 0, and the derivative of negative 2x is a negative 2. So our fourth derivative is actually going to come out to a constant. And the negatives will cancel, so it'll become positive, and we just multiply those two, and that comes out to a positive 384.